Yes, Rada, ano masasabi ninyo sa performance ng Dua Bisdak?
Ilang stars po kaya?
Okay. Alam mo, Juliana and Shane, I agree you took a risk. And I think naman it paid off. But I felt that there was more the chemistry wasn't as magical and as dikit as I would have wanted it to be, no? But about your performance, the best thing I liked about it was you took a risk and it paid off. It paid off naman. Now, for the overall impact, you'll find out later how I felt about it, no?
Sir Louie, ako, kanina pa natin ito pinag-uusapan, no? When it comes to chemistry, I think yung body language ng dalawang batang to, I felt more connected.
Body language.
Body
Biology
language.
yon, hindi yan chemistry.
Oh.
Diba?
Dumating kami sa
Body language eh. Body language. Biology.
Pero ano po, yung the way that they move, nakita ko yung, Sir Louie naman. Yung synergy talaga ng energy nila, the way that they moved. Ako naramdaman ko yung chemistry. And I felt that it was so exciting, the way na pinili nyo yung riff na gagawin ninyo. Nalagay ako sa edge, pero yung edge na masarap sa feeling. Kasi parang I was hoping sana ma-hit nila kasi pasok sa range nila pero kailangan lang nila ma-execute well. And you did it so great, yung mga risks na sinasabi nga ni Sir Louie
malutong
kanina.
yung rhythm nila.
Yes,
diba?
malutong. Yes. I agree.
For me, yung level of difficulty, talagang na doon, nag-take kayo ng risk. Check yon. Hindi kayo nag-hold back. Your performance was so powerful, but I was looking for, yun nga, yung chemistry na nakita ko sa unang grupo. Yun lang naman for me.
Sa puntong ito, mukhang walang mananalo.
pero...
Hindi talaga sila magkakasundo.
Bakit wala?
Oo, kasi naman pinag-uusapan ng risk.
Wala nang
Diba? Edge, yung mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Kaya dapat Ed Sheeran dapat ang kinakita.
What you did was difficult, ha? Ang ginawa niyo was very difficult. Was it clean? Yeah, it could have been cleaner, but it wasn't an issue of me having to raise my hand, no, to make you bilang. Walang ganon. What else?
For me, mas entertaining yung sa kanila. Mas entertaining yung sa kanila. Kung ikaw compare mo. Pero ako hinahanap ko since duet ito, yung chemistry yung dalawa. Hindi lang puro galing, hindi lang kung
So
sino
you
yung
felt
mas
that
impressive.
Para silang
Parang somehow
showdown.
hindi connected.
Showdown.
Yes,
It was a showdown.
For me.
Okay.
Parang, ano ba yung sa The Voice? Yung battles. Parang
Yes.
pinapanood nyo battles.
Yeah.
Hindi duo.
So you were parang
Hindi pares na.
they were competing with each other. So may konting ganon.
Hindi sila
no?
magkakampi.
Oo,
Kasi
you-
sa The Voice, iba yung battles. Yung isa kinakanta nyo, pero magkalaban kayo.
Yes.
So parang ganun yung naramdaman nyo ngayon.
Magalingan.
Pero iba yata
Ed,
yung naramdaman
si
ni Yeng, ah.
Hindi niya naramdaman.
Na ano talaga ako, na-enjoy ko yung energy nilang dalawa eh. It was really exciting for me.
Kanya-kanyang preference lang.
Aswan.
Kailan kaya rin natin mararamdaman ang chemistry ng ating mga jurados? Kasi kami rin nasa edge of our seats while listening to them, which is a good experience, di ba? Pero isa lang talaga ang na-realize dito ni Jong, dapat ang kinakanta nila ay kanta ni
Ed Sheeran.
Saka magsusuot ng wristband.
Yeah.
Baka naman yung chemistry nila, Keme lang.
Keme lang.
Maraming salamat mga hurados at sa ating kalawang pares, Dua Bisdak.